See what's happening in here today. This is my original flocks where they come in and out. And they have all of this space. And they free range a good bit. And they have the chicken tunnel. This little section is where I have my dark Brahmas and buff Brahmas at right now, which goes in there where they roost at. And then there's little Betty and all the babies that she hatched. Not her original babies, but she hatched them. And then that's their opening to go into the coop. So yeah. My husband did a fantastic job separating all this for me. Giving me different pins to use.